English Community Presence. Idiom of the day. On the back burner. If a plan or a project is on the back burner, it isn't being worked on at present, but it might be completed in the future. For example, plans for the new factory have been put on the back burner until the economy improves. Second example. It's a great idea, but we're too busy to look into it now, so we'll put it on the back burner for a while. And here is a quiz question. Pause the video and answer the quiz question through comment box. Thanks for watching video. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like if you enjoyed the video.